Cisco warns of attempted exploitation of zero-day in VPN software. 1. Cisco identified a significant vulnerability, CVE 2023-20109, in the Cisco Group Encrypted Transport VPN, Get VPN, feature of Cisco iOS and Cisco iOS XE software that could allow a hacker to take control of an affected device or cause it to crash. This vulnerability has a CVSS severity score of 6.6 out of 10. 2. The vulnerability can only be exploited if an infiltrator is already in the system. Once exploited, this vulnerability could enable an attacker to take full control of a system or cause a denial of service. However, exploiting the vulnerability would typically serve to further enhance a hacker's access privileges in a compromised system. 3. There are no workarounds for this vulnerability other than applying the patches provided by Cisco. The U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, has also issued warnings, urging companies to install these patches.